Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about how the search logic works in DWP. To start, we will check three key points in the settings menu in the search section. So in the DWP admin console, we will go to configuration and search section. There are three different settings here. The first setting, maximum results per source, is used to set the maximum number of results for each category. This means that if we set the number to 5, the search will bring a maximum of 5 results from services, KAs, and etc. The default value for this setting is 25. Let's check an example. At this time, the maximum result is set to 1. If we go to DWP and search for a keyword, now we can see only one result for service, for KA, for user, and request. If we change the number for 2 and refresh the page, we can see 2 results for services, 2 results for KAs, only one result with the new keyword and the name, and 2 results for request. The second setting is including top hit results, the requests, and approvals. This setting is used to include or exclude requests and approval results for the user who performed the search. Let's check an example here. If we go to DWP, we can see the request section here. But if we disable this setting and save the change, the request section is not more displayed. Okay, let's enable again the setting. And finally, the natural language searching setting is used to enable a conversational language searches, such as I need to order a new laptop instead of a keyword. The main purpose of this function is to determine if the user is searching for a catalog item or a knowledge article. The search engine picks up the meaning of the sentence. We also have some common questions on this DWP search topic, such as, is it possible to hide the user section from the results? Here, this section. And the answer is yes, you can hide the user results. The setting is in the application features section. Include user in search. If we disable this setting, the list of the user will no longer be displayed. The next question is it possible to move the default list as catalog items instead top hits? And this time, the answer is no. In the current versions, this configuration cannot be modified. The default list will be top hits. I hope this information is helpful. Thanks for watching.